My name is Michelle. I am 34 years old from Rizal, Philippines. I am single parent. I have two daughters ages 11 and 5 years old. My highest education attainment is high school. My experience are child care and elderly care. I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years in one employer. Currently, I serve two couples and then one daughter, ages 67, 66, and 27 years old. My duties are taking care of elderly, cooking Chinese food, doing all household work like cleaning, laundry, ironing, and marketing. I am willing also to take care of pets. To my future employer, ma'am, sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, fast learner, and trustworthy. I promise to be a good housemaid and promise to prioritize my job and finish my contract order. Thank you, ma'am and sir, and looking forward to working with you.